Okay, so we'll load this up and let's do some clicking around. Okay, so that looks good. We'll scroll down. Now it looks like some of our content is disappearing down here. And this probably has something to do with the transform property. If you remember, that was the vertical alignment strategy that we used here. Now, if we do a quick search on the Can I Use site for transforms, you can see that for Internet Explorer 9, it is supported, but it has to have the prefix MS. Now, we've been ignoring prefixes so far because we can use an automated tool called AutoPrefixer with Grunt to add these whenever we're ready to publish our CSS. So we should probably come back and check this out after we've added our prefix. All right, I'm going to go back to Internet Explorer and I'll scroll down some more. Qualities looks good. Our slideshow is functioning. I'll scroll down some more. It looks like our placeholders again are different colors than our Selectize select box. Not a huge deal, but it is a bit glaring in Internet Explorer 9. Scroll down. Okay, everything looks pretty good. Now let's reduce the size and take another look. Okay. We'll scroll down. Again, just looking for anything obvious. And then let's bump down our browser and see what happens with our logo. Okay, so the logo seems to work good. Again, the quality isn't so hot. And again, that has to do with my virtual machine more than it has to do with the site. We'll scroll down and do one more pass. Okay,